Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel to Motordrive. Today we are diving into some massive news from Mazda, because they are finally replacing one of their longest running, most beloved small vehicles with something completely fresh. If you remember the pint-sized Mazda 2 hatchback, or the incredibly popular CX-3 subcompact crossover, those models have had a legendary run. But they've been around for over a decade, and in today's fast-moving car world, they are long overdue for a modern shake-up. Enter the all-new, highly anticipated 2027 Mazda CX-20. Mazda is combining those entry-level roles into one sleek, tech-forward mini SUV that's aimed right at the heart of the ultra-competitive compact crossover segment. It's stepping into the ring to battle heavy hitters like the Toyota Yaris Cross, the Honda HR-V, and the Hyundai Kona. But from what we are seeing, Mazda is taking their signature premium vibe and injecting it straight into this smaller footprint. Let's talk about the design first, because honestly, Mazda's design team just doesn't miss. They're evolving their famous Kodo design language here, giving the CX-20 a low-slung, incredibly sporty stance. Up front, you get a bold, aggressive gloss black mesh grille flanked by ultra-thin, futuristic LED headlights that give it a sharp, focused look. Rumor has it we might even see a cool illuminated Mazda emblem embedded in the front fascia. As you move down the side, it adopts this gorgeous, coupe-like sloping roofline that gives it a youthful, athletic silhouette. It looks fast even when it's standing still. Around the back, they've completely modernized the rear styling with a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate. It mimics the high-end look you'd expect from luxury European brands, completely tricking your brain into thinking this is a much more expensive vehicle than it actually is. But a pretty face only gets you so far. What's happening under the skin is where things get really interesting. Mazda is pouring major investments into their production platforms to focus heavily on electrification, and the CX-20 is going to be a prime showcase for this multi-energy strategy. We are expecting next-generation e-active hybrid powertrains. The baseline will likely feature a highly efficient 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter petrol engine paired with mild hybrid assistance to keep fuel economy incredibly high while delivering a peppy 180 to 220 horsepower. But the real wildcard rumor that has car enthusiasts buzzing is the potential for Mazda's unique rotary hybrid setup. This system would use a compact rotary engine purely as a generator to top up a battery, which then sends power directly to the electric motors. It's an incredibly clever range extender system that honors Mazda's rotary heritage while delivering the smooth, instantaneous torque of an electric vehicle. Whichever engine option you choose, it's designed to keep running costs incredibly low while maintaining that fun-to-drive, connected feeling Mazda is famous for. Now, if you want to take this mini SUV past the pavement, Mazda has you covered. While it'll come standard with a front-wheel drive layout to maximize efficiency for city commuting, they will absolutely offer their predictive iActive all-wheel drive system as an upgrade. Paired with an off-road traction assist mode, the CX-20 will easily handle muddy trails, weekend camping trips, and sketchy winter weather, making it a highly capable companion for weekend adventures. Step inside the cabin, and this is where the CX-20 completely leaves the old CX-3 in the dust. The biggest complaint about past entry-level models was always the tight rear seats and the cramped cargo space. Mazda listened. Thanks to a smarter, more modern platform, the interior space is vastly improved, offering way more legroom for your passengers and a much more usable trunk area. The dashboard layout is a minimalist, tech lover's dream. You're looking at a panoramic digital instrument cluster paired with a sweeping center infotainment display that feels incredibly premium. Mazda is even expected to include an augmented reality head-up display that projects your navigation arrows directly onto the windshield in front of you. And the materials. They are punching way above their weight class. We are talking soft touch leather seating, elegant metallic accents, and ambient lighting that creates a genuinely upscale atmosphere. It's an interior that feels less like a budget commuter car and more like a luxury sanctuary. So, when can you get your hands on one, and what is it going to cost? Production is expected to kick off toward the end of 2026, with the official launch hitting dealerships in early 2027. Because Mazda wants this to be an accessible gateway into their brand, the estimated starting price is rumored to sit beautifully between $26,000 and $32,000 depending on the trim level and powertrain you choose. For a hybrid crossover with this level of style, technology, and premium interior finish, that pricing is going to make a lot of buyers look twice at the competition. Mazda is clearly aiming to redefine what an entry-level crossover can be, proving that you don't have to sacrifice luxury or driving dynamics just because you want a smaller vehicle. What do you all think? Would you pick the futuristic CX-20 over a Toyota or a Honda? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Motordrive for more automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.